Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sporty Bongs. Kamala Mbongi Nkosi. This is where football and passion meet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and to click the notification bell so that every time when I upload, you get to be notified. Danko. So if you think Kaizer Chiefs is struggling, it simply means you haven't watched and seen Stellenbosch. Because Stellenbosch is one of the teams that I can say good. They are well run and a good team, but now one thing that always takes away their competitiveness is the fact that they are a selling club, and that's a good thing for a team which bakwazi ukugenerate finance due to ama players that they get to sell, but it affects abona because the way they've started this season, we won't say it is the Stellenbosch that we all know that is competitive, because Kaizer Chiefs is ingcono to Stellenbosch. It's just in ukuthi ingcono, but hayi kangako. The difference is not that huge. It's not that huge, but all I can say with those two teams are teams that always when they play against each other, Kaizer Chiefs always come as victors. Because in the head-to-head, in the last 6 games, they've played a total matches of 6 games, and the Kaizer Chiefs managed to win 5 and Stellenbosch won 1. So that tells you Guti, when Kaizer Chiefs plays against Stellenbosch, it doesn't matter Guti, they are on form or they are off form, but they try their best in order Guti, to get a win. That's why we see Guti, they've won 5 and lost 1. But for a side like Stellenbosch, mabadlala ne-Chiefs izinto azihambi kahle, because Kaizer Chiefs, it plays similar the way they play. They use with both of these teams. That's why they find it difficult with Badile with the Kaizer Chiefs, because it seems like it will depend on which coach is superior in terms of preparation and also tactical acumen on that specifically game day. But for a team like Kaizer Chiefs this season, you can tell a good team. The way we are playing as a team that wants to dominate matches. We play like a team that wants to win most of the matches, but unfortunately things are not going according to how we want them to, because the results aren't coming our way. So let's compare these two clubs. Stellenbosch, in their last 6 games, they've managed to draw 2 games and lost 6. They drew 2 games. They drew against the Chippa United 0-0, and also they drew with the Durban City 0-0. And then they lost 3-0 to Orlando Pirates in that MTN 8 final. Lost 1-0 against Mamelodi Sundowns. Lost 2-1 against Amazulu FC, and also lost 1-0 against Richards Bay. So that tells you Guti, they are a team that trying to find their feet, but so far it's not happening. It is not happening. So Maupega aside in the Kaizer Chiefs in their last 6 games, they are a team that managed to draw 2 games, lose 2 games, and win 2 games. We won against the Golden Arrows, we won against the Kubascorp, drew against the Sekhukhune United, we drew against the we drew against Amazulu FC and drew against the Marumo Gallants, and lost to Kubascorp and Sekhukhune United. Stellenbosch managed ukuthi bascore 1 goal in all their last 6 matches. Kaizer Chiefs managed ukuthi bascore 5 goals. 5 goals in their last games. All those goals you can tell ukuthi besiloko sihamba nga1 up until isifike la isikhona, because if I'm not mistaken, Kubascorp, Marumo Gallants, Marumo Gallants, Amazulu, Kubascorp, Golden Arrows, we can see okay, we managed to register those goals. But in terms of considering, we considered 7 goals. No, we considered 5 goals. Stellenbosch considered 5 goals. So we can tell these are teams that even their defenses are a bit shaky. But one thing that I can say, the only difference that Kaizer Chiefs has over Stellenbosch is that at least they are trying by all means to average at least 1 goal per game. if not, they don't register any goal, but it becomes difficult for us to utilize the chances that we create. But Stellenbosch, they create less chances because I think their best players, as of now, they are currently off form. And another thing that makes Stellenbosch to find it difficult to win games is the fact that they are always chopping and changing my lineup, and there's no consistent lineup that we can say good they can use so that they can win most games. Because next kwenye game uthola umloyisana akekho, kwenye game uthola ukuthi uDion akekho, kwenye game uthola ukuthi uKhiba akekho, kwenye game uthola ukuthi uKhupira akekho, kwenye game uthola ukuthi umjela akekho. But with Chiefs in the past 2 games we saw ukuthi there was consistent in our lineup, because I think bekushintswa because we had forced changes ngama injuries. So for the Chiefs bona it becomes easy for them because most of the time abachinji lineup that much, but it can be that one play nakhona it can be a forced change. So that's why we are trying with this the kind of football that will give us result. But for Stellenbosch it's difficult because even in their defense, they are a team that fails to deal with the balls that are being played behind the defense. So we know within kind of a game which player we need to use so that we can get to exploit that space behind the defense, because they are slow in terms of recovery. So a player like Ashley Dupree is one I prefer with this in this kind of a game, because he is good when it comes to playing behind or behind the defense or playing on the shoulders of the defenders. But for Kaizer Chiefs now, in their side, I'd say good, they struggle to deal with them long balls. And one thing I've managed to pick up, good, teams are targeting that right hand side of Kaizer Chiefs, but they forgot good, we changed a right back, because when it was Frosler, it was easy for them because they know in terms of recovery is very slow, is not the quickest of players. But due to Solomons can make a blunder or can be caught off guard, but he's able to recover because of his pace. So for these 2 teams is that good, the other one can be able to recover, but the other it doesn't, because now Stellenbosch most of my goals are Baba Korawona. Lack of anticipation, ball watching most of the time. Every ball that is played as a square ball, they find it difficult to deal with it because they do have tall defenders, but they are slow when it comes to recovery, and also in terms of awareness. So good, okay, this is how we have to deal with such balls, but all the time they are caught ball watching. So for Kaizer Chiefs, they have to make sure they use that advantage over Stellenbosch, because Stellenbosch is not doing well, but we can't say good we write them off, because a team that haven't won a game in 6 games simply means good they are a wounded team, and they will try by all means which was redeem and get a win, especially against a team that always gives them trouble like Kaizer Chiefs. So for Stellenbosch, Steve Barker will try by all means good he will put a starting 11 that is going to cause troubles for Kaizer Chiefs. So Kaizer Chiefs mustn't play with this notion which they're gonna underestimate Stellenbosch, because they know good every time when they play against it they win. But on this one I have a different kind of a feeling whereby good Stellenbosch will try by all means good by in the show with Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a good game. But also on our side as a Kaizer Chiefs, we do need to capitalize on the chances that we create. We need to score as many goals possible so that we can make the job easier for us. But we have to put one thing into consideration, which this is a cup game. The way we play Good League and how Stellenbosch plays Good League, it doesn't amount for anything here, because they know very well with a cup game, you go all out. If they'll have to score a goal and pack the pass, Kaizer Chiefs must come with the plan on how to break a low block, of which in the past 2 games I've seen it good there. They are doing it so well. It's just they are not scoring, because you will see from the different variation in terms of a movement and also a positioning, the interchanges of positioning between Upule Mori and Umto Shabalala. It does work for us because defenders find it difficult to cope with that. I saw with Amazulu, Keegan Allen, Tashrik Felix was finding it difficult because they don't know Guti, should we mark Umtu or should we mark Upule, because when Upule goes wide, Umtu come inside. When Umtu goes wide, Upule Mori comes inside. That's why he even got that chance where he could have scored, because it creates unpredictability to the opponent, so that even if they try ukuthi bafuna ukumarka, they don't know ukuthi lo uzoza with kind of what play in order for their team to get a goal, because we saw ukuthi those variations allows us ukuthi sikwazi ukuyibreak low block, because we even pull defenders out of position to create space for our strikers, and due to a good positioning, that's where we find those chances, but we don't score. So it simply means good Kaizer Chiefs on this game, they have to make sure they pay attention to detail. Every detail matters on this game, because we are playing against a team that likes to use a weight. So obvious, one thing we must make sure we don't find ourselves vulnerable at those crosses. We make sure we don't find ourselves ball watching, and number 3, we make sure we find a way to deal with the pace of Utaitas. So Cross must make sure he deals with the pace of Utaitas, or whoever that is going to play, because there was a rumor ukuthi ngaza Tulimelo or Cross, so obviously Shinga is the available left back. Yabo. But I don't know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iyomisa kanjani in such a way ukuthi they will win a match convincingly, so that you won't feel any pressure ukuthi we are trying to win but the wins are not coming our way. But the best way for us is to make sure to score early and try to manage the game, and try by all means to find different variations for us to score, because I think it will help us a lot, so that our teams find it difficult to cope with us, because the high intensity game that we play, we press from the first minute up to the 9th. At some point it is demanding when it comes to his stamina. That's why we say Ungcobo doesn't play that full match, because fitness yamkhawat. But amanye players, they are able, but Lilepo sometimes selfish. But on this game, I think every player will be alert, including Ukhanyisa Mayo, of which I think yes, he made a mistake, but what is important you'll make it his responsibility ukuthi akwazi to rectify as soon as possible ukuthi sokhohlwa ngayo. But I don't know, but this was match preview of Kaizer Chiefs versus Stellenbosch, or Stellenbosch versus Kaizer Chiefs, because it is the home game of Stellenbosch. And another thing that will make it difficult for Stellenbosch, because ukuthi ba win against the Chiefs, most of their goals have been coming from Ulangelihle Phili, and Ulangelihle Phili now was Chile playing a World Cup under 20. So a player like Kwiti Young haven't been that much effective this season, because they've converted him to a false 9. He's no longer that attacking midfielder that is able with the was or control their attacks in terms of following up play, in terms of trying to spread those passes. But now he has the responsibility to score. It's either they partner him into Mojela or they partner him into Cupido. So on this one, we have to be aware of those two attackers, because they use it 4-4-2. So for Kaizer Chiefs, because we know what we use 4-3-3, but when we are in position, it shifts to 3-4-3, or at some point they go by 3-5-2. Now, because of how we try to retain the ball and recycle it, and make sure with our movement allow us to squash areas whereby we can cause danger. But I don't know, what do you think about this? This was a preview of EKE Stellenbosch versus Kaizer Chiefs. And what do you think? With the Kaizer Chiefs, will it win against Stellenbosch, and by how many goals? According to your prediction, would be a winner by how many goals? According to me, I feel like Kaizer Chiefs will win by 1-0. 1-0, because yes, it's difficult for us to score many goals, but if we can score one, let's make it our job to protect that lead up until the final whistle, because you can score 20 goals, but in the next round you can also get knocked out. We now allow my goals at 20, so a win is a win. Doesn't matter who to win kanjani. Hoping nje ukuthi angeke sifikise ku extra time, because nazo lezi zakwazi ukuyiqinisa kuma cup games Stellenbosch, but we know what should we do in order for us ukuthi si break and dominate Stellenbosch. Danko.